Hello children, how are you? I hope you are staying safe and healthy. Last day we discussed the poem Georgie's Treat. Who is Georgie? Yes, Georgie is a young hardworking boy. And one day he went to the forest to collect some firewood. Then from there he got some scarlet berries. Then he wanted to share it with his mother, and he kept those berries in a cap that is made of leaves. Then that activity helped him to experience the wave of happiness. That is a summary of the poem. And today we are going to discuss the grammar junction. Yes, grammar junction. And today's topic is conjunction. Okay, before we go into the chapter, let me ask you one question. What do you mean by conjunctions? We already learned this topic. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by conjunctions? Yes, conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are joining words that join clauses or sentences. Conjunctions are joining words that join clauses or sentences. Okay, I'll give you some example. And, but, or, because, so, as, since, after, before, when, and while. These are examples of conjunctions, or these are conjunctions. Okay, let me check another example. Here you can see two sentences. Okay, look at the first one. My name is Ted. My name is Ted. Second, I am a boy. I like dogs. Look at the first part. Here you can see three sentences. First one, my name is Ted. I am a boy. Second, that is second sentence. Third sentence, I like dogs. Okay, when we learn to write, we started writing by small sentences or short sentences, and we can make these short sentences into one by using these conjunctions. Okay, look at the second part. This sentence here you can see the shortened version of the first part. Okay, so let me read it. I am a boy named Ted and I like dogs. Here look at the first part. Here you can see three sentences, and look at the second part. This is the shortened version of the first part. Here these three sentences are joined together and formed one sentence. Okay, here and is used to join all these sentences. Okay, so conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are joining words that join clauses or sentences. Okay, now let us check. Today we are going to discuss the conjunctions till, until, though, although, if, unless. Okay, till, until, though, although, if, and unless. This is our topic. Then first we are going to discuss till and until conjunctions. Till and until. Okay, look here. Till and until refer to a point in time. Okay, these conjunctions refer. We can use these conjunctions to refer to a point in time. Okay, let us check some examples. First one, Georgie worked till the sun was high. Georgie worked. Who is Georgie? Georgie is the main character in the poem Georgie's Treat. So Georgie worked till the sun was high. Here you can see the conjunction till. So from this we will get an idea about a period of time. Georgie worked till the sun was high. Sun was high means afternoon. Georgie worked till the sun was high. So by using this conjunction we will get, by using this conjunction till, we will get an idea about a period of time. Look at the next one. I am not allowed to play until I finish my homework. Here the boy, the speaker, is not allowed to play until he or she finished the homework. So here also we will get an idea about a period of time. So the conjunctions till and until, we use the conjunctions till and until to refer to a point of time. Okay, next one, though and although. Though and although. And these conjunctions are used to contrast two things. What do you mean by the term contrast? Yes, look here. Contrast means if one thing contrasts with another, the two things are different from each other, often in a noticeable or interesting way. Okay, we can use this conjunctions though and although to compare or distinguish something, contrast two things. We use these conjunctions though and although to contrast two things. Okay, now let us check some examples. First one, though he wanted firewood, he could only collect some sticks and twigs. Here actually the boy wanted some firewoods, but he could only collect some twigs and sticks. Okay, look here. Here you can see the picture of a firewood. Actually he want to collect firewood, but he could only collect some sticks and twigs. Okay, so the conjunction though and although, we can use these conjunctions to contrast two things. Okay, next example. Although my mother was angry, she could not stop laughing at my joke. Look at this example. Here you can see two emotions. Two emotions are used here. First one, angry. The mother was very angry. Then she could not stop laughing at my joke. Here you can see two emotions are used here. So, if we want to refer to or contrast two things, we can use the conjunctions though and although. Okay, next one, if and unless. Next conjunctions are if and unless. We can use these conjunctions if and unless to talk about a condition in a sentence. Okay, we can use these conjunctions to talk about a condition. Okay, now let us take some example. First one, if I work hard, I will get good marks. Look this one. Look at this first example. If I work hard, I will get good marks. Here you can say a condition. If I work hard, if the speaker work hard, or he will get good marks. Okay, next one, unless I work hard, I will not get good marks. Here if and, the conjunctions if and unless, we can use the conjunctions if and unless to talk about a conditions in a sentence. Okay, that's all about the conjunctions till, until, then though, although, if and unless. Till and until used to refer to a point in time. Till and until, conjunctions till and until used to refer to a point in time. Second one, though and although used to refer to or contrast two things. Next one, if and unless. We can use the conjunction if and unless to talk about a condition in a sentence. Okay, now let us do a small activity. The question is, fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions given in the box. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions given in the box. Some clues are given here: unless, but, or, although, so, until, after, before, when, while. These are conjunctions. Okay, what do you mean by conjunction? Yes, conjunctions are used to join a clause or a sentence. So here some conjunctions are given here, and you are asked to fill these blanks with the correct conjunctions by using the conjunctions in this box. Okay, first one, make hay dash the sun shines. Make hay dash the sun shines. Okay, and it is a saying. The meaning, the answer of this is while, and it is a saying. Make hay while the sun shines. It is a saying, and the meaning of that one is, if you make hay while the sun shines, it means that you take advantage of the chance to do something while conditions are good. So it is a saying, and we should use the conjunction while. Okay, next one, call me dash you leave for football practice. Call me. Yes, what will be the answer? Yes, before. That is the correct one. Call me before you leave for football practice. Next one, dash her mother fixed the toy. She was still crying. So although is the correct answer. Next one, we shall have dessert dash the meal. Yes, usually we eat desserts after the meal. So after is the correct answer. Next one, the play is long but good. Here but is the correct answer. It's a conjunction. So next one, the party won't begin dash everyone arrives until. So until used to refer to a point in time. Okay, the party won't begin until everyone arrives. Okay, next one, you could go to the park, watch the movie. There is no time for both. Okay, so you could go to the park, watch the movie, or there is no time for both. Next one, Shikha will not go to the supermarket. Dash you accompany her. Okay, here unless is the correct answer. Shikha will not go to the supermarket unless you accompany her. Next we are going to discuss writing junction. Okay, listen carefully. Who do you look like? Who do you look like? All of us look like someone or the other in our families. Yes, we all look like someone or the other in our families. Do you look like your mother or father? Or do you look like your grandparents or any other close relatives? Okay, we all of us look like someone or the other in our families. Okay, now let us check some examples. And here you are asked to write a paragraph describing your resemblances to your family members. Okay, here the writing activity is write a paragraph describing your resemblances to your family members. Okay, let us check some examples. Everyone says that I look like my mother. I have straight hair like her and my lips are exactly like hers. However, I have my father's forehead and eyes. I am tall just like my parents. Okay, now let us check some other words. This will help you to write the paragraph. So you can use the clues that are given in this box to write that paragraph. And the question is, write a paragraph describing your resemblance to your family members. You will get the question from page number 140. And these are your homeworks. Next one, question 2, page number 139. Okay, these are your homeworks. First one, write a paragraph describing your resemblance to your family members. You can use the clues that are given in this box to write a paragraph that describing your resemblance to your family members. Okay, second one, question number 2, that you will get this question from page number 139. Okay, I hope we discussed the grammar junction in the chapter Georgia State. I hope today's class is helpful to you. Wish you a good day. Thank you.